Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up your TOSHIBA 32WA2363DG. For that, you'll need to use the remote. The remote is included. There are also batteries included if you buy it new. So you can see I have the remote right here. Let's put the batteries in. There's also some, like here inside, once you open it, for the first time you'll see a screw that you can later on screw in on the remote. So you just lock the batteries. But I'm not gonna do it because it's not like I really care about locking my batteries. And here, simply get AAA batteries. I just got them. Put them in just like that. Mind where the minus and where the plus is. Then you can close the lid or leave it open, whatever you wish. And the remote should be already working. Yes, it is. Select the language. I'm gonna turn the volume down because I can hear some music in the background. I don't really need it. Now select the region or country. All the content that you'll see will be adjusted to the region or country, so I think it's best to select your actual one. That will ensure that everything works properly. And then go further and click on continue to start the initial setup wizard. It'll ask you whether you want to quickly set up your Android TV with your Android phone. I'm gonna skip it because not everyone wants to do it that way, so I'm just gonna do a video that's the most universal for everyone because everyone can skip it and not everyone will be able to continue here, so I'll just skip it and do it on the TV instead. But if you want, you can set it up with your Android phone. Then Wi-Fi. It asks me to select Wi-Fi. I will select this one. Then you can also instead connect an Ethernet cable on the back of your TV if you are using a cable connection. I'll just enter the Wi-Fi password. Okay, let's go down to the bottom right corner to approve it and it'll get connected shortly. It is connected. Now wait a moment. You can see the process takes a little while, but it's been like 3 minutes since we've started and we are like halfway done, I think. Okay, now it asks me whether I want to sign into Google or skip it. Skipping it will make me only be able to use the live TV that may be plugged in or some very basic functions, but most functions will be achieved with signing in, like the Google Play Store, which lets you download different apps and you will be able to access different streaming platforms. So I'm gonna sign in. Let's wait until it loads. Okay, now it asks me to use my Google account, so let's click on the OK button to turn on keyboard. Then on your keyboard you can enter your email address. Okay. Now it's loading and let's enter the password too. Okay, I'll do it off camera. Okay, now let's go to the next button. Let's wait until it signs in. Now, the terms of service, you can read them. The terms of service, the privacy policy and play terms of service. Without accepting it, you cannot add the Google account. So let's click on accept. Now, here's some information about the location services, stuff like that. You can unselect any of those if you want, but I'll leave them on because I actually want the location to be used, so the time and date get set up automatically. Now, Google Assistant, let's click on continue. You can allow or click on no thanks for the option to search across all your TV apps. It means that you can, for example, say something like, hey Google, find Wednesday on Netflix, and it'll do that. If that's disabled, if you click on no thanks here, then it won't be able to search within a certain app. So I'm gonna allow it, I think it's useful. Then you can turn on personalization, that will just store your personal data in order to give you more personal results. I'll turn it on, but feel free to disable it if you don't feel comfortable with that. Now, you can also stay up to date with emails about the latest features and things on Assistant. I'm gonna click on no, I don't really care. Now, you can select additional apps. I think I'll unselect them actually, but feel free to leave them selected. Now it tells me that it's powered by Android TV. I can get apps from Google Play, talk to Google Assistant, and cast to my TV from my Android phone. Also from an iPhone. If you have an iPhone, there is a video on our channel on how to use AirPlay on this TV. So, like, whether you have an Android or an iPhone, it will always work. Then you can select TV mode, home or store. If you're using it at home, then select home. Store is only for just being displayed on a shelf. Now, energy options. You can select saving mode, which will reduce power consumption. Chromecast built-in, which will make it available to Google Cast even in standby mode, or wake on network only, which I think I'm gonna use the Chromecast built-in. That's how I use it, but it may use a bit more power. Now, tuner mode. You can select your tuner mode. It will search for the channels. You can select aerial, cable or satellite. Well, I don't have any plugged in right now, so I can't show you that. I mean, I can show you how I select like satellite, for example, then next, whatever this means, right? Then click on scan, it'll start scanning for channels, but it won't find anything since I don't have any antenna inside. I'm expecting it to not find anything, so I think I'm just gonna go back. And yeah, I'm gonna click on skip scan. Yeah. Now let's finish the setup, and it's done. Just accept the usage and diagnostics, or click on next if you don't want to accept it. And we're probably in home already. I hope so. Yeah, it's loading. And yes, we are here. So that will be it for the video. I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.